Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a campaign brief from one line idea using Claude AI. Okay, so let's begin. Of course, open up your Claude first, then open a new chat. Of course, select the cowork as our mode, and now we gotta type our line first. The example that I'm going to use is a summer launch for fitness app, and now let's turn that into something that a whole marketing team could work from. So first, of course, open up your Claude, and now we need to enter the one line prompt. I have it prepared, so I'm going to copy it. Of course, you can check it, and now click on enter to send. It's going to take a little bit. Of course, the Claude will do the whole job. We gotta keep waiting until it does the job. It's going to take a little bit, but the Claude only from one line will do everything. It will also structure everything into sections such as objective, audience, messaging. As you can see, it's already generated and also saved in the folder that we have selected, and it's right in here. And now we can also refine the audience tone a little bit. We can find the audience and the tone, and that's the thing that I wanted to say. My bad. And now we gotta enter the second prompt. Let's refine it a little. That's my second prompt. Make the target audience Gen Z and millennial gym goers who are active in social media and give the brief of a more energetic, motivational tone. Let's click on send. So it will be changed a little bit. Let Claude regenerate the sections. Okay. It says that it's done. Okay. In here, if we click, you'll be able to see the preview, how it presents. And let's also add the channels, budget, and the timeline. So the Claude will know everything. And now we just gotta enter the next prompt. It's also prepared in my case. It's about channels, budget, and the timeline. Enter the third prompt. Okay, added a 50K budget breakdown across Instagram, TikTok, email, narrow the channel mix to those three, and set the launch window to June 1 to 14 with a revised timeline around it. If you click, of course, again, you can see that all the applies has been changed. And now let's save it as a Word document. All you gotta do is to enter the last prompt. I'm wondering where it is. Okay, and here I have it. So thanks to that, the Word file in real life, it's really easy to share. So let's add last prompt, save this as a Word document. It's going to take a little bit, so be patient until it does the whole job. Okay, copying to final deliverable location. Let's wait until we see the preview. It didn't appear. Weird thing. Let me only do it manually. Okay, and in here we have it. Of course, everything is saved in the folder that you select before you start chatting with Claude. To do it, it's this icon, add folder, and you gotta simply select in which folder Claude is going to save everything. Okay, and let me show you again. We have the fitness app campaign brief saved as a Word document. Everything worked perfectly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.